cooking time. You wanna see people what I'm cooking? I gonna show you. Video people, I have pork bones that has flesh, of course, and I just added that uh, cabbage and this this crops here. So that's boiling. I made that pork get tender. And as you know, people, price of gas here for cooking is getting higher. So it's for us, if we're living in village, this is good advantage if we have these dry woods for cooking. And especially that your village is closer to the mountains with a lots of trees, dry trees where you can pick and get some woods in there for cooking. That is very nice since the gas for cooking is getting higher. So as you can see, I'm just using dry woods in that for cooking so that it can save our gas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe our channel. God bless. So this is the peaches that I'm going to add in there. This is so healthy. And as I said, if you're living in the village, we're closer to the mountain, and this time the price of gas is getting higher, you should not worry because so many dry woods that you cannot get there in the mountain, and that dry wood can be used for cooking. So that's what we're going to do.